So the one thing that I look forward to at Morris Madness every year is my current customers, when they come in, they have their new challenges. They bring in new parts from their customers. They say, hey, what's the equipment that I need to invest in order to make this part efficiently?
Is not only because you get to see who Morris Midwest is, the products we represent, but it also gives us an opportunity to meet some of the other manufacturers and builders, and it gives you a chance to meet with their representatives and make a connection with them so that we can show you how to best utilize their stuff on our equipment.
Last year we had a customer and they were really interested in automation, and fortunately for them, they were able to see that automation on our floor here with the Gossinger Load and Go series. So when he was able to see that firsthand, see how easy the changeovers were, see how efficient it was, that really got him thinking about the next steps of his business and where he wanted to take his company.